Okay, so my order finally came. I ordered the Plouise budget box, so I'm gonna unbox it for the first time on my this stuff in the way. No, I didn't make my bed this morning because I didn't have time. I had time. I have time now. I just don't care. Alright. I'm gonna open it like this so I can't see anything. Well, I guess I can see everything. Alright, this is my order. I got sent a 30-piece brush bundle set sent back to me, so I was actually kind of upset. But I have like this little note that said sorry, so I'm like, okay, that's cute. Forgiven. So this here is to keep it. Oh, no way! I got the eyeshadow palettes that I was like looking online for. I didn't order them, but I got them. Okay, so I fall in line. Ooh, a fall in line. Double-ended eyeliner. Nice! Oh, this is the cutest packaging I have ever had on any makeup brand. Marty likes it too. Okay, so... Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so I have... Ooh, it's like super pigmented. Look. That's gonna look so good. Oh, that's gonna look so good. And I've been seeing a lot of like, what's the word? Neutral liners going around on social media. So like these are really cute. They're so like they're in trend too, so I can fall in line with everyone else. Oh, I got a smoochie. This here is a lip pencil. Intense color so you can slay all day. Oh, it's so cute. Give me that, Marty. I'll die on this. Okay, so it's like a dark brown. So go a little dark brown. Oh, it's super creamy. I just like, look how creamy it is. It's like oops. Okay, so it's super creamy. I might as well just use that piece to swatch it then. That's a really nice color. Very, very nice. And this one was called, what was it called again? Smoochie. So it's a lip pencil. Ooh, that's like a really nice neutral lip pencil. I can use that with everything I have. Oh, okay, so 0 to 100 real thick formula lip gloss. Ooh, I just wanted to try these. That's so cute. I mean, I would never buy like a thick lip gloss, so I'm glad I got it in a budget box because I wouldn't actually buy a thick gloss. Ooh, and it's so cute. This color is, oh, I guess 0 to 100 real. Oh, Kind Heart. It's called Kind Heart. Oh, cute little applicator. Okay. So I'm just going to, oh, that would look nice with my lip liner too. So I'm just gonna, ooh, it's super thick. That's the color right there. That'll be look nice on me. Do it right now. It's super thick. I need a lip liner for it. It's just a tad too light. And like washes out my lips, so that's perfect though. I love having like beige, what's the word, like lighter than my skin tone, so that I can have like a lighter pout with darker outer corners. So that's perfect for me. Perfect. It's weird. Was something supposed to be in here? I don't know, because I didn't get a brush bundle because I did order 2. I was being greedy. Oh, maybe I'm still waiting, but this is the packing slip, so I'm not sure. All right, so I did get this here. I seen this online and I was like shocked to see this in here. Super shocked. This is so cute. I was seeing this online everywhere. So it's called Identify Your Worth. Oh my goodness, so cute. And I was dying to try shadows. Dying to try shadows. And this is like the cutest thing. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so how do I on? Oh my god, it works. Look, on, off, on, off, on, off. Cute. Marty, do you like it? Look at this. Look. Isn't that nice? It's so nice, isn't it? Oh, it's so Marty loves it. Oh, he loves it. Okay, let's look at it together then. Oh my god, this is the exact one I wanted. The exact one. This one is called, I'm not sure, but this is the one that I wanted. With the lighter shades right here. Like these 2 lighter shades and then all the dark ones, so I can always have a smoky look. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this light. Oh, okay, take that off so I can always look at myself. That is just so darling. I love it. Oh my god, I can check my makeup. That's what it's for, so I can look at my makeup. Oh my goodness, I hope so. Or can I like take it out of there? I guess that's it. I'm not mad at it. I don't care. And you get this cute little brush, and I know their brushes are like super high quality. That's why I purchased the brushes to begin with. I'm sad I don't have them. Let me just try a quick little. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh wow. I don't know what's in these shadows, but that's really nice. It just went on my lid really nice. And I mean, I can't go wrong. That's like my skin tone, so pretty. And I'm gonna put that back in here because I have another one to show you. So I was really happy to get just that, but I got 2. Like, who gives you 2? Okay, so another one here. You can open it. Opens like that. Or I mean, it turns on like that. These are the cutest packagings ever. Cutest. Okay, now I'm gonna let you see it first because I already seen the other one. Oh my god, is it different? Oh my god, it is. We see you. Oh my god, that is so cute. So, oh my god, I got, and if I didn't get the first one I got, then I wanted the next one. Oh my god, that's so perfect. So this is the one that you guys got. I'm not giving this away, this is mine. This one, and they're so similar, but this is the one that I really wanted, and I got this one because I love this one here. Cute. Okay, so I can't wait to play, but where are all my brushes to play with this? Plouise. So I better be getting that other box sometime soon. So I'm gonna put all my stuff away in here. And so that's what I got in my budget box. And I also ordered a base and a brush bundle. Yeah, and then my other brush bundle got returned. So I'm waiting for my one brush bundle that I bought. And this is a pretty good haul for a budget box. So I got 2 high quality eyeshadow palettes here. They're both different. I'm just not sure how to tell them apart, but I got 2 palettes, a liner, a lip balm, and a lip pencil, so that I have like an entire look. Eyeshadow look, eyeliners, complete, lips, and then like, you know, you need your base stuff, but most people have all that, right? I'm really excited and happy with what I got for my budget box. This gloss is really nice, and I like the way it stays on. it's going to look much better with one of those, lip liners. Well, this lip liner that I got. But I'm pretty happy with what I got. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was. So, plus for me. And I'm excited to get my brushes in my base so that I can actually use these and see exactly what's up with all the products. With plouise, they're pretty popular online, and I just wanted to get into the hype. So here I am with the hype. Marty likes it so far. These are cute. Like, they're so cute. Oh, I have to do it. Can you see that? Probably not. I don't have any lights on. But that's like has every color in it so that you can just put it on. It's like a rose goldy color. And then there's this one here. Oh, this one's gonna be my favorite. I already know it. And these are like so buttery. So buttery. Oh, yes. That's gonna be my everyday. Everyday. This one here is my everyday. I want to go out and be bronzy. And this one's my everyday. All right. So that's all I have for today. I'm so glad I went with the January box. It's February 21st, and I just got my first box now. I'm expecting another box with my base and brush products. I hope. I hope it still comes. We'll see. Thanks for watching.